So John, what's your opinion on time tracking? Do you think that people should be doing it or not, or maybe a little bit? What are your opinions?
So at onlinejobs.ph, we have time tracking software. We call it time proof. It like tracks when they're working and it takes screenshots and it pauses if they're not active on their computer for a amount of time and so you can look and see like exactly what they did. I don't use it. Uh, I, I
Built it,
don't.
but doesn't use it.
Yeah, we
Okay,
have it, but
that's
I don't use
yeah,
it.
fair enough.
Um, we have it because employers demanded it, because some people want it. For me, uh, I want to gauge productivity based on like what's coming in, like what are you getting done, right? And I've always been able to gauge pretty dang well, like oh you're working or you're not. Um,
Yeah.
there's there's definitely times where like oh man I think you're not working, but I don't have any proof of it because you're doing a little bit each day. But and there have been times where I have asked people to use time tracking software. It's a hard thing. I mean, you think about this. You're working and you have this thing taking screenshots of your computer every 10 minutes or every 5 minutes or whatever it is. It's super intrusive and nobody likes it. And so I have not found it to be an incentive to do good work. Plus, beyond that, like you're not going to get someone that tracks 8 hours a day of productive time. It just doesn't exist. If you work in an
Yeah, I've
office,
tried. It's so hard.
yeah, like you work in
Even
an office,
myself,
you
like
go
I
to the
can
bathroom.
track my own time.
Yeah, yeah, you track your own time, right? And I'm like, I did that too with this software once, and I was like, oh, like
Yeah,
that's not very productive.
stress. It's like another job.
Yeah. Um,
Yeah.
so anyway,
Anyways,
if you get 4 to 5 hours a day of productive time tracked, like that's pretty full time, you know. Um, for me, the other side of it was like, I don't like looking at this crap. I don't I don't want to spend my time looking at your screenshots. You know, feels like a waste of time to me. So
okay, so what you're doing is more of a qualitative of, hey, you're full time, and then you have that daily email going with them, and then it's, oh, hey, you're not doing anything, or oh, you are.
yeah, every once in a while I'll ask like, how busy are you? You know, how long does this take you to get your tasks done each day? Right?
Okay, just because of that honesty and trust, then it's, oh, hey, it's actually only takes me an hour a day, and
Yeah,
I don't have
yeah,
enough to do. Like, have you
yeah,
found that you'll get tasks out of that?
yeah.
Cool. All right, that's his opinion on time tracking.